Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to navigate or go to the Fiverr resolution center on Fiverr in case or in situations where you have an issue to report. um, so in Fiverr, while they favor the freelancers and they favor the freelancers, I think they protect the clients more. So the best way, so in situations where you find yourself being a victim of maybe bullying, or because there are some clients that will actually want to bully their way into making you work for them on multiple projects with little pay, or you might be in a situation where you have been you've given your best, but the client is saying that it's nonsense or it's BS or something like that. What you have to do is to find a way to actually reason with such a client so that your rating on the account will not drop, so that they will give a positive feedback. But in situations where that's not possible, you can also go to the community hub or the forum to ask for others' opinion and see how these situations have been treated. So I'm going to open a tab on both. So this is the forum. So you can create a post and you'd see other people reply to it. And this is the community where you can also discuss. So I'm just going to wait for the page to get okay. So from this page we can just go through, we can search for it, search for, let me just choose maybe later. I got it. So we can also join virtual events from here. We can engage in discussions and access resources to grow our business and actually thrive. So Fiverr actually hosts some programs from time to time. Their last program was on March 31st, where there was a workshop on enhancing efficiency. So this is the forum is the community is actually for growth and all. Um, so you can actually for the forum section, this is where you get, this is actually the community where you see other people's opinion on how uh okay, good. So this person is saying she got her first order on Fiverr bookkeeping category, just reached $200,000 as a voice talent on Fiverr. So this is how to you can actually just give a post. I'm saying maybe later now. Click. You can just create a post here and tell people how what the problem is, and you'd see people replying to you very very quickly, or not very quickly but good. You'd see a reasonable traction. Or you can also go to this section called support and troubleshooting, where you can also highlight the problems you have, and it would be tackled. So I've clicked on it and let's see. So this just talks about everything on the platform, but you can also um, just say your mind on the platform, and the all of this would be incorporated in their feedback. Yeah, so that's it guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, and do have a great day.